It's recorded.
It's time for a real world Middle East video update. And there's a blizzard in New Mexico.
Woo!
Excuse the man voice. That's good.